You've given thrown crumbs of ambition at people in the dressing room, given them this carrot of, okay, you could be a potential leader. You are in the leadership group as a vice captain. So what that happens is everyone then is looking over each other's shoulder. Kal main captain banunga. This is exactly how the Pakistan team functions.
There are things which I'm not convinced about. For example, you told Shubman, or rather you've taken a call on Shubman because he doesn't have the runs on board. Have you considered the fact that your captain happens to be in poorer form than Shubman Gill? Somebody was telling me, like, लेकिन उस T20 player तो बड़ा player है वो. So is that the basis on which you have selected him?
The coach हर हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते में इनका जो comment है वो change हो जाता है. Every cricketer they are upset.
ऐसे कैसे हो रहा है कि सूर्य कुमार यादव is in the loop, but your Shubman Gill is not in the loop, which means you have not communicated with Shubman. Communication is an issue.
Nitin bhai, first things first, your impression, Shubman Gill getting dropped, and not just Shubman Gill, it will be unfair if we exclude Jitesh Sharma from that.
I think all the people who sat on that table, Mr. Saikia, Surya Kumar Yadav, as well as Ajit Agarkar, I think they were very wary of, or maybe throughout their lives, they have been very wary of using 4-letter words, or rather they avoided a very important 4-letter word called FORM, which is form. So that is how they did not, they conveniently chose to skip the form of Surya Kumar Yadav. And in an interesting, byplay with words, they chose to focus more on combination. So that is how they chose to explain Shubman Gill's exclusion, chose to ignore Surya Kumar Yadav's form. So it's and also this whole business of when was Shubman Gill intimated. He was not told till the morning of Saturday, because obviously if he was told, then it would have got leaked, isn't it? That's why I think they avoided. Because had the news been out, it would have been reported in the papers. So it shows a bit of muddled thinking. What I also worry a little bit here now, Sahil, KSR as well as Pratyush, is when the one-day team convenes, Shubman Gill will be walking in that same dressing room with Gambhir as the coach. The guy who chose to drop him and the guy who we built up as this all-format brand and face of Indian cricket suddenly dropped from a World Cup to be held in India. So that will be an interesting congregation of men come Vadodara on Jan 11.
Yes, sir, we have been discussing a lot over what has happened in the last couple of days in Indian cricket. Something which is not usual because communication and clarity hasn't been the Indian Cricket Board's strongest suit of late. But the way the events unfolded, especially with regards to Gill, someone, as Nitin bhai mentioned, and we have extensively written on TOI as well, the next poster boy of Indian cricket, has been conveniently dumped out of the setup. Looking back to that Asia Cup entry where he was inducted back into the squad as a vice captain, given 7-8 T20s, then they felt, no, Sanju is your guy to open, and let's go back to Sanju, and Gill has to wait for another World Cup. This is the second World Cup Shubman Gill is missing because of the words which Nitin bhai has tweeted, combination.
You don't want Shubman Gill in the squad. Understand. There's a cricketing reason for it. You think form is an issue. You think runs not being there on board is an issue. You think your team combination is not falling in place. That's an issue. It could be anything. It could be a cricketing issue, and there are far more intelligent people sitting in that room taking that call. Maybe they know something that you probably do, me, Nitin, Pratyush don't know. So I give you that benefit of doubt. All right, go ahead, take that cricketing decision. That's not what ails Indian cricket. What ails Indian cricket is, number one, this whole back and forth exercise. In terms of what exactly is the big picture you're pursuing. Okay, and when you know what kind of a big picture you're pursuing, then do you have the patience to kind of keep going at it? Okay. That's one, and obviously as we go further, we're going to talk in more detail about this. And the other is, I don't know who said this now, but I think Nitin said, just absolute lack of communication. Who exactly are you running the show for? My question to BCCI is this:
You've given thrown crumbs of ambition at people in the dressing room, given them this carrot of, okay, you could be a potential leader. You are in the leadership group as a vice captain. So what that happens is everyone then is looking over each other's shoulder. You know that, okay, kal main captain banunga. This is exactly how the Pakistan team functions.
I'm not convinced. You have dropped. There are things which I'm not convinced about. For example, you told Shubman, or rather you've taken a call on Shubman because he doesn't have the runs on board. Have you considered the fact that your captain happens to be in poorer form than Shubman Gill? So what have you taken to, somebody was telling me, like, लेकिन T20 player तो बड़ा player है वो. So is that the basis on which you have selected him? T20 player तो बड़ा है. अगर player तो बड़ा है तो फिर run क्यों नहीं बना रहा है? It's like that award-winning quote that Surya Kumar Yadav gave. कि क्या बोला, रन नहीं है, फॉर्म तो अपनी फॉर्म नहीं है. क्या नहीं है, मेरे को अभी से समझ में नहीं आया कि क्या नहीं है.
He also said he's batting beautifully in the nets.
He also said he has.
भाई तो और दिन भर नेट्स में बैटिंग करने दो, फिर टूर्नामेंट में क्यों लेके जा रहे? बहुत सारे रन बना दे और नेट्स में बनाने दो. So this is what I'm saying. क्या जस्टिफिकेशन है? आपने KRA देके रखा है, आपने कुछ बोला है उसको कि बॉस, we are announcing you the captain, but there are 5 T20 matches coming up against New Zealand. We would expect you to kind of hit form or hit runs, whichever he's not hit so far. कुछ benchmark रखा है. We were talking about KRAs. There has to be a certain KRA, right? On what way? Are you saying कि नहीं यार, मैं कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं तो I will take him to the party because I like the guy. Is that how it works? What is the basis of your, like, tell me, if 2025 IPL अगर देखते हैं, Shahil, I was asking you about the stats. Surya Kumar Yadav has what, 715 or 720 runs, right? This IPL. And Shubman Gill has what, 650 odd runs this IPL?
Yeah.
And in 2025, how many T20s have both played? I think Surya Kumar Yadav has played around 17 or 18 T20 internationals. And Shubman Gill has played around 15 or 16 T20 internationals. किसके रन उसमें ज्यादा है? शुभमन के ज्यादा है. तो 19-20 का ही तो फर्क है. तो आप अगर शुभमन को ड्रॉप कर रहे हो तो सूर्या को भी ड्रॉप करो, या तो एटलीस्ट जस्टिफाई करो कि नहीं यार, मैं ना कल रात को सूर्या के साथ डिनर पे बात कर रहा था, सूर्या के पास ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस था, शुभमन के पास कम कॉन्फिडेंस था. कुछ तो बोलो. तुम तो बात तो करते नहीं हो प्लेयर से. तो ऐसे कैसे हो रहा है कि सूर्या कुमार यादव इज इन द लूप बट योर शुभमन गिल इज नॉट इन द लूप, which means you have not communicated with Shubman. Communication is an issue. Yeah. So you asked me at the start, your question was, what do I make of this? What else is there to make of this? You have announced the squad. This is Ajit Agarkar, thankfully his last World Cup selection. After that, I'm hoping the new selector who comes has some better perspective of things. Right? Why is Virat Kohli an issue? I don't understand. Like, why is Virat Kohli's in any which way, I thought read this on Twitter. Why is Rocco an issue in ODI cricket? I have till now not figured out why it is an issue. Has it never occurred to anybody in Indian cricket, whether it is selectors or whether it is some administrator, that Rajiv Shukla has an opinion on everything under the sun? Right? He has an opinion on every damn thing. So can't he come open his mouth and say कि भाई Rocco should not be an issue? 2027 तक हमको भी पता है, तुमको भी पता है, जो क्रिकेट देख रहा है टीवी पे उसको पता है कि ये दोनों ओडीआई टीम में रहने चाहिए. इतनी अक्कल सब में है तो आके बोलो ना, जब तुमको हर चीज पे ओपिनियन है. तो मैं यही कह रहा हूँ कि दिस इज व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद इंडियन क्रिकेट. ये लोग the kind of statements that they go on giving and then they disappear and all irresponsible stuff. So what you need in Indian cricket is a guy who can drive sense here. I'll give you one of my conversations that happened with someone in Indian cricket very, very less than a year ago. I was asking him about something, important person. I said, why don't you have a communications guy in the team? क्यों चाहिए? अरे भाई साहब, you are running an organization which disposes the functions of a proper corporate. Communication becomes an essential tool. Journalist wants traction on Twitter, says Rohit Sharma or whatever, Virat Kohli, Rocco नहीं continue कर, 2027 नहीं खेलेंगे. That's like something that doesn't become a topic of discussion on a larger level. At a larger level, there are far more important, far more responsible, and far more serious people sitting who are supposed to take calls. These random tweets can't be serious discussions. So at some point, it becomes the responsibility of the BCCI to come out and actually lay these unnecessary random controversies to rest so that there can be some peace of mind with which people can work. I think that has gone missing. And same is the case with Shubman Gill, na?
अभी सब कुछ क्रोनोलॉजी इस तरीके से सोच रहे हैं कि क्योंकि शुभमन गया so a certain finisher came, but the truth could well be the other way around because someone wanted a certain finisher in the squad. That is why all this mess.
And this was the excuse was given to the finisher who is dropped. कह रहे यार बार-बार फोन आ रहा था, क्या करें, सबको खुश करना है. I think this New Zealand series, when the ODI series, when Suman, Jaiswal, everyone will walk in. So I'm interested to see how they will what Gautam Gambhir will do. Because I remember in Dubai when picking for the ODI series in Australia, I think it was in Bombay where Ajit Agarkar said, Abhishek Sharma ka bhi time hai. You guys are forgetting about Yashasvi Jaiswal. But now he is forgetting about Yashasvi Jaiswal. Abhi, what that poor kid can do? Nothing. The coach, Hill, I mean everyone. The problem is कि हर हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते में इनका जो कमेंट है वो चेंज हो जाता है. I mean, एक जगह टिक के रहो यार. You be there if you feel that okay, Shubman Gill is my opener in T20 है, stick with it. If you feel that Sanju Samson will give him 15-20 matches at number 5 so that he can adapt in that role, आप उसको फिक्स रखो. अब हितेश शर्मा को आपको नहीं लाना था उधर. And then number 3 to 8 is a floater. There's an obsession of playing an extra batter at number 8. उस चक्कर में you won't play either Kuldeep or Arshdeep. One of them will miss out in the playing 11 in the World Cup. So I don't know. I mean, what will happen now? It's going to be like popcorn लो, बैठो मजा करो. Because every cricketer, they are upset. They're so upset. Those who are not playing, those who has been done bad, poorly. हर कोई अर्शदीप सिंह नहीं हो सकता कि वो बोलेगा कि मैंने अपना YouTube चैनल खोल लिया. I'm happy doing that. You don't play me. But for a Jitesh Sharma, 32-year-old, his career is gone now. I don't think he will be part of any future World Cup. This was his career high, right? I mean, abhi Shubman Gill back-to-back 2 World Cup misses. Last time to accommodate Virat Kohli, Jaiswal became suddenly in the 15 and Shubman was not picked. I don't know. Again to accommodate Sanju Samson, is it like a social media का trend देख के team pick कर रहे हैं? God knows what happens. Like पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है.
I think everyone is missing the biggest plot twist in this squad movement. You all are missing the fact ये स्टेट एसोसिएशन सिलेक्शन में होता है क्योंकि मैं बहुत क्लोजली फॉलो करता हूँ. जब आपको कोई लड़का खिलाना है ना, अगर मिडिल ऑर्डर में आपको नंबर 4 पे कोई लड़का खिलाना है, आप कंपटीशन को 15 से भी बाहर कर देते हो कि उसके अलावा कोई ऑप्शन ना हो 11 में खिलाने वाली. अभी फाइट चल रहा है रिंकू सिंह को 11 में रखने का. कंपटीशन से जितेश शर्मा को उड़ा दिया गया 15 से. 15 के अंदर आ गया कीपर जो टॉप ऑर्डर है. रिंकू सिंह इज सॉर्टेड. He'll at max compete with Shivam Dube for that finisher spot. We all are that KSR's famous line. We all are missing forest for the trees. The biggest forest is kind of developing in Uttar Pradesh right now. And Rinku Singh is the biggest mover and shaker of this squad. उसके इर्द गिर्द ये सारी चीजें मूव हुई हैं. अगर आप लोग एक बार एनालाइज करोगे चीजें कि क्यों फिनिशर हटा, क्यों टॉप ऑर्डर बैकअप आया, and how it suits everyone now. It suits everyone. The narrative suits everyone. Yes, Srini, you were saying something.
Yeah, I'll say something. Okay. I was just when Pratyush was talking, it occurred to me. The selection of Ishan Kishan, okay? Like I'm speaking, let's say I'll speak as an outsider, totally as an outsider. I do not disagree or I have no grouse with the selection of Ishan Kishan in the 15 and I'll give you a reason. Okay? He has scored runs. He is in red hot form, okay? And in a mad format like this, and I have said this for years now, it's not the first time I'm saying this. In a mad format like T20, I will blindly go with the option. Form is the only permanent thing in T20. Class doesn't belong. Class is temporary, form is permanent. This is not your regular form of cricket. If you talk to me about Test cricket and you told me कि विराट कोहली ने ये 2 रणजी ट्रॉफी मैच खेला इस साल बट उसके रन ही नहीं बन रहे हैं, बट ईशान किशन ने 3 सेंचुरी मारा है रणजी ट्रॉफी में. मैं 3 नहीं 30 रणजी ट्रॉफी मैच में विराट कोहली रन नहीं बनाएगा तो भी मैं विराट कोहली को ही लेके जाऊंगा टेस्ट क्रिकेट, बिकॉज टेस्ट क्रिकेट क्लास इज permanent. I will want a guy like Virat Kohli in my scheme of things, right? This is a narrative that Indian cricket has just kind of kicked in the air and let go. Okay, we tend to now kind of do a mix and match of perspectives the way it suits us, and that is why the selection of Ishan Kishan becomes an important catalyst in a dialogue like this, right? That he's the boy in form, he's the boy among runs, he's seeing ball, hitting ball, लेके आओ, खिलाओ, right? वो जो एक पर्सपेक्टिव है वो अक्रॉस द लाइनअप रखो. अब रिंकू सिंह रन बना रहा है नहीं बना रहा है, सबको उसी कैटेगरी से आप जज करो, सबको उसी कैटेगरी से जज करो. फिर क्योंकि लोग आते हैं फिर इसने फिर क्या गलत किया, उसको सिलेक्ट करो तो इसने क्या गलत किया. ठीक है, सेलेक्ट तो आप 15 ही कर सकते हो. ये 2021 का वर्ल्ड कप जो हम काइंड ऑफ व्हिच वाज अ मैसिव डिसअपॉइंटमेंट फॉर अस, वहां से आप ट्रेंड देखते हो T20 वर्ल्ड कप्स के. वहां से अगर आप T20 वर्ल्ड, इट्स ऑलवेज यू ऑलवेज गॉन विद रेपुटेशन, नॉट विद फॉर्म. That's come back to hurt you again and again and again. Today when I am discussing Surya Kumar Yadav, suddenly there is this argument that comes forth, सूर्य कुमार यादव तो बड़ा T20 प्लेयर है. नहीं, अगर मैं टेस्ट क्रिकेट की बात करूं फिर मैं बोल रहा हूं नहीं यार ये तो बड़ा बैट्समैन है, इसको रेड बॉल क्रिकेट खिलाओ तो ठीक है. T20 क्रिकेट में मेरे पास फॉर्म नहीं है, मैं कितना भी बड़ा प्लेयर हो यार, मैं ले जाके क्या कर लूंगा, मेरे को तो फॉर्म चाहिए, मेरे को तो 20 बॉल में 60 रन चाहिए ना. वहां आपका क्लास वास और टेक्निक कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आपको अंदाज मारना है उधर. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद अस, which I don't know why. What is the kind of mindset that doesn't allow us to think on these lines? Again, I mean, if from a T20 standpoint, it's the most important thing that we are missing.